This is often the problem of we don't want to take the trim baseboard off, so instead we want to insert this under the baseboard, and there always seems to be a problem doing that. And Torlease has a device called a bulldog, so I'll just insert that here. And what the bulldog is well, I'll show it to you in a second, but first I'm going to push this in. You see that we have a crease there. Now, this is the bulldog. If you could take a wide view here. This is the bulldog I made, and it has a hinge here. This is just pieces of board, and the hinge I recessed, and I put a bunch of little tabs here, and this, of course, is the sticky tape you can see in their movie. This is a reinforcement L bar here, and just a big lunk of wood. So I did it more or less to their dimensions. Here, the sticky tape, I just used regular carpet tape. And the carpet tape is a two-way tape, of course, and you don't have to put it every time or all the way around, just part way around. And put my scissors to cut that. Oh, here we are. Scissors, cut. Okay, so we have the two-way tape. The really hardest part of this is with the two-way tape is taking off the tape that is around the two-way tape, and that's what I have difficulty doing. But here it is. So I've taken that tape off. So now this is sticky, and where this comes in handy is it has a very low torque here, which pushes this in. The sticky tape doesn't seem to work if you have just a 2x4. So you put your weight on this here, and easier if you stand up, and you just gently bang away. Takes a little while.